Pickpocketing. Tom took a wallet from a man's pocket on the bus. Drunk driving. Sarah drank beer and drove her car. Robbery. A man with a gun stole money from a bank. Kidnapping. A stranger took a child from the park. Rape. A man hurt a woman and forced her to do things she didn't want. Mugging. A thief pushed Sam and took his phone on the street. Hijacking. People with guns took over an airplane. Drug trafficking. John sold dangerous drugs to people. Shoplifting. A girl put candy in her pocket and left without paying. Burglary. A man broke into a house at night and took a TV. Smuggling. A person hid gold in a bag and took it across the border. Looting. People took things from stores after a big storm. Extortion. A man said, "Give me money, or I will hurt you." Assault. Mike hit another man in a fight. Cybercrime. A hacker stole money from people's bank accounts online. Theft. A boy took a bike that was not his. Blackmail. A man said, "Give me money, or I will tell your secret." Traffic offenses. A driver did not stop at a red light. Bribery. A man gave money to a police officer to avoid a ticket. Jaywalking. A girl ran across the road when the light was red. Hit and run. A car hit a bike and drove away fast.